Hello teacher. Ten. Man. Red. Pen. Friend. Head. Send. Letter. Ready. Internet. Black. Hat. Dragon. Fan. Apple. Happy. Sad. Bad. Man. Exam. Up. Wonderful. Ugly. Brother. Enemy. Summer. Freedom. Family. Banana. Album. Number. Nervous. Dirty. Curly. Bird. Girl. Surf. Learn. Hurt. Work. Burn. Bye teacher.